Milind Awade is the Director of Technology at BrainTree, a software company that helps businesses simplify their day-to-day activities. In the ever-evolving software industry, continuous improvement drives success. Milind's team was using SAP Crystal Reports for its legacy products, which had a very limited scope from development platform to deployment for their cloud-based ERP solution. So the team began looking for a better alternative. They had to find a tool that could be easily deployed and allowed them to effortlessly migrate thousands of reports. After some online research, they felt confident that Bold Reports was the answer. Using Bold Reports, Milind's team now generates advanced ERP reports with minimal coding. They appreciated Bold Reports' intuitive interface, easy integration with multiple databases, and print formats. And the best part? When they had issues getting started, the Bold Reports support team worked around the clock to make the transition as smooth as possible. Need a user-friendly tool that makes report migration easy? Join Bold Reports like Milind.